Hey everyone, what's going on? Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to pair the Plantronics Explorer Bluetooth headset with a Samsung phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 phone, and it's using Android Pie. So any Samsung phone that's the same should work the same way. So let's get started. Basically, what we want to do is first on the headset, you want to first turn that on. You'll switch it up like this, and you'll notice that it will be green colored here. I don't know if you can make that out. And then now, while it's on, you'll hold down this button right here. You'll hold it down until you see the blue-red flashing light. So we'll press it down and hold it, and remain holding it until you see this. Now when you see this, you let it go, which means the headset is now in a pairing state. And now it's time to dive into our phone. We'll go to where it says Settings. We'll go to where it says Connections. And under Connections, we'll see where it says Bluetooth. We'll go to that and turn it on from here. Now as that happens, of course, it's going to automatically start searching for nearby devices. You'll see PLTE 500, that's the headset name. You'll say pairing. And just wait for that request. You just simply OK it. And of course, it will show that it's connected and battery percent, and you're good to go. That's it. Like, share, and sub if this guide was helpful, and thanks for watching. See ya.